welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in my previous video, I turned a pair of jeans into a dungaree dress, and I was so happy with the way it came out. I thought, why don't I try it with a few other items in my closet? So I found these two shirts, which I haven't worn in probably about a year and a half, which was the last time I worked in an office environment. And I thought, like, the colors are so beautiful, I really don't want to put it out, but I feel like I can turn it into a cute, like, summer top. So let's see what we can do with these ones. For this next one, I really love the bold red color. I love this cute little bows. I'm not too sure about how I feel about the sleeve length. There's not a lot I can do with it. The collar, again, it's not really my thing. I just really want to try and revamp it, see if there's something I can do. It's also like super short. I don't know, the button's like stopping here. And also at the back, it's like, it kind of like curves upwards and down. Very interesting looking shirt, but I'll see what I can do. For this next one, I absolutely love the color. I love that it's got this cute little bow at the back. What I don't love is that it's long sleeves and it's like collared shirt. Like the sleeves are so long. I didn't even button this up because it's like such a mission trying to tie these, and there's three on either side. But I just feel that when we cut it shorter, maybe we can tie this like bow in front, maybe it'll look so cute. Try to get rid of the collar somehow, I'm not too sure. But I think that it has lots of potential and it can definitely turn into a really cute top.
The first thing you need to do is cut off the sleeves. Next I'm going to turn the shirt around and then take a piece of chalk and draw a line straight across in the middle of where the arm piece is. Then cut along the line. Next, sew a hem along the rough edges to get a smooth finish. Take the leftover material that was your sleeves and cut straight lines to make straps. Remember to hem the edges of your straps before sewing it onto your top. And lastly, I've taken the bows that was on the sleeves, cut them off, and I'm going to tie them around the straps just to give it some added detail. So if your shirt doesn't have this, you can just take any piece of ribbon or anything and just tie it as well. It just adds a nice touch to the top. If your shirt doesn't have a bow at the back of it, but you still want the same look, you can always sew two pieces of ribbons to either side of your shirt. Next, I'm going to cut half the collar away and then cut off the sleeves. Now that everything's been cut off, you're left with half a collar that's smooth and arm pieces that are rough. So what I'm going to do is just take it and fold it over like that, and then I'm going to sew a hem along the edge so that you end up with a smooth finish.
I am so happy and obsessed with the way this came out. You would never have guessed there was a like formal shirt before this. This little things up here was the ties on the wrist. And like, I just think it's so cute. It makes such a lovely, cute summer top. So I'm just so happy with it. And like the color, oh my gosh, it's like so bold. You guys know I was saying that in the beginning of this video. Like, I'm obsessed with this color. And now that my hair is like dyed black also, I feel like it really just pops, like it goes so well together. So I couldn't be happier with this one. I'm so happy with the way this one came out as well. I feel like all of these were such a hit. Like, I really didn't expect that. I am in no way a fashion designer, a seamstress, nothing like that. I just thought it'd be fun to take some of the clothes and reinvent it. And I'm so happy with the way it came out. Like, I would genuinely wear this. You would not say that this was a shirt, like a formal shirt. There wasn't a lot of changes I did to this one. I just took off the sleeves. I made the collar a lot smaller. It was like another layer going down. This was at the back, which was such a waste. Plus, like, it kind of scrunched up at the back when I tied it at the back. So I actually think that maybe I was wearing it wrong this whole time and the bow was actually supposed to go in the front. I don't know, but yeah, I'm glad that I decided to swing it around because it's so cute. And I love the color. I just think the color with the denim goes so well together. So I'm so happy with this one too. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy with the way these came out, especially the red one. That color, the style, everything. It's just, who knew you could turn shirts into a casual summer top? I did not see that coming. I thought it might work, but I didn't realize it was going to work as well as it did. So I'm definitely going to be wearing these out. I feel like you can really do so much with your clothing, you know, to reduce, reuse, and recycle, to conserve the environment. Why not try one jeans at a time, one top at a time, instead of just chucking it out? You never know what new style you can create. And you made it. It's personal. It's unique. You know, no one else has the same one as you, which I absolutely love as well. But I'll see you again soon with a new video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.